We are just from conducting a training workshop in corporate governance for the wonderful group of companies. So in attendance, we are directors and senior executives, CEOs from 7 companies under this group. And some of the topics that we shared are among them essentials of good corporate governance, just highlighting what good corporate governance is, the 4 pillars of good corporate governance, and why a company like wonderful group of companies need corporate governance. Then we also discussed responsibilities of the board, the roles of the board, and also the roles of the senior managers, like the chief executive officer, so that there is a clear line in terms of their roles to avoid what we call role conflict. Then we also understood or learned about the board evaluation. How do you evaluate the performance of the board? You know, there are 4 main subcommittees in the board, and we discussed all those, their key roles, and how their performance is evaluated. And then lastly, we also discussed issues of compliance and risk management and ethical leadership. So we discussed new developments or recent developments in compliance, like the ECG, and also issues to do with cyber security, risks, and ethical leadership, emphasizing the need for ethical leadership in decision making so that these directors and senior managers can model their behavior on ethics. So it's been a wonderful day, very fruitful, and a lot of stuff was shared, and the feedback is quite overwhelming, and that has encouraged us even to go to higher levels.
My name is Gilbert Temba. I am the group chairperson of the wonderful group of companies. I am very honored and privileged to have participated in the training program conducted by Ms. Amrusa today on corporate governance. I wanted this to happen as long as last year, and I wanted the involvement of the entire management and board and shareholders to participate in this program, because I thought it extremely important. Our group is growing very fast to begin to become a leading manufacturer of various products in Zambia. With that growth comes challenges of corporate governance, and hence we want to adopt high standards of corporate governance in our group, which employs over 6,500 people. I am very delighted with what happened today, and I hope we can continuously train our people in this area as we go forward. So thank you again to Mr. Bruce and his team. Thank you.
We will always promise service beyond expectations. Indeed, people are happy, as you can see from the responses, and we can only thank our God who's been there for us, and we say thank you, our God, for giving us the grace, giving us the ability, and giving us the time and the life to share whatever that we have with these people. I thank you all.
For further details, you can call the following numbers: 0977 786329 or 0950 786329 or 0965 387712 or email vnac@zambia.co.zm. VNAC Consultancy Services Limited. Service beyond expectation.